Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about something unique happening in Huobi platform. So let's stay tuned. In today's episode, I will be talking about one interesting event that are happening in Huobi platform. So if you guys haven't have any account in Huobi, feel free to join. I'll put down the link below. You guys can register straight away. So today's episode, I just want to share with you something. Because every time when I create some video or some contents, I will always talk about 1000x, 10x, how from these tokens can gain many multiple X's or make you a huge profit. But in today's episode, there will be nothing related about all this, but I will teach you guys how to join Huobi 8th years anniversary event that could send you to the moon. Yes, you never heard me wrongly. I'm sending you to the moon. I'm giving you the chance to guide you how to join this event so that you can go to the moon with Huobi. But of course, there are certain criteria. Then I will guide you through all the criteria. But it's very simple, very straightforward. And let's go on to this Huobi event. And let's go on to Cointelegraph because Huobi has actually launched this news on Cointelegraph. So let's get into the Cointelegraph news. As you can see here, to the moon, Huobi wants to send someone to space for its 8th birthday. Huobi will celebrate another year around the sun by sending a lucky user to space. This is real. This is real. I already confirmed with Huobi. Huobi said this is real, and they will be sending one lucky candidate to the moon for their 8th birthday. So you can see Huobi Group, a major global blockchain company behind the world's third largest crypto exchange by trading volume, is celebrating its 8th birthday in a somewhat unusual way. Yes, definitely. I also wanted to go to the moon because I never really sat on space before. I think most of us never really sat on space before. So I'll be glad if Huobi chosen me, Huobi remember to choose me, and I really want to experience myself once in a lifetime going to space and see how the Earth looks by my own eyes. So there will be one lucky person only, and I will teach you guys how to join this event. It's very simple. Make sure, like I said, you just need to have an account with Huobi. Okay, so the company will hold a series of events as part of the 8th anniversary celebration, including giveaway promotions and a space travel ticket for it to Cointelegraph. So Huobi will hold a contest that will offer one lucky winner an experience to literally travel to space. All Huobi Global users across the world are eligible to join in a free contest, but there are certain limitations. Okay, these are the limitations. These are the criteria. There are still health requirements that have to be passed in order to go to space, but these details will be revealed at a later point. So the company declined to disclose what space agency will provide this space trip for Huobi, or whether it will happen through a private firm such as Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin, or Elon Musk SpaceX. So you can see this is disclosed, so it will be announced once the winner is announced. So let me teach you guys how to join this event. Very easy. In order to join this event, you need to log in to your account. Okay, let me log into my account first, and I will show you later on. Okay, right now I have already logged into the Huobi platform. So you see there is the login button. I already logged in, and the first thing you need to do is look for a banner that shows wins a ticket to space. Every user can get up to 18,000. This is the event. So you just click on it and it will pop up to another page. So you can see here, one winner gets a ticket to space. And how do you want to join it? Very simple. You just need to click this button, enter now in minutes, and you just click on it and it will pop out a boarding ticket for you. So what you do is just save this boarding ticket. You can actually share to your friends, share towards your social media, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Telegram, or whatsoever, Instagram, to hit this winning ticket. So when they announce, they will see, okay, the winners goes to boarding code this number, then yes, I will be the one who are going to space, and you will be seeing me, Crypto MY, going up to space together with Huobi, which is very interesting. I've been dreaming for it. Okay, so it's very, very easy. And other than that, there are $18,000 worth to be played in this event. You can go all the way down. This event has a lot of things to offer. You can go through single by single event by looking all the way down. There is product launches. There is earn up to 18,000 there. You can see here. So you can trade to win up to 1 ETH, which is 4,000 US dollars. You can click on it and look at it, but this ended, of course. Then you can actually collect the Huobi 8th anniversary badges, and of course the new one, which is the ongoing one, trade up to win 1 ETH and 4,000 US dollar. So you can see right now this ongoing. So in order for you to know more about this, you can actually click it, look at it, what is the criteria, what is the requirement, and join the event. Of course, there are a lot of events. You can buy cryptos, you can earn, you can do not miss. There are a lot of things that I cannot cover everything today, but I could say, right, this platform really has been very, very generous to all the investors in the Huobi platform. They are giving a lot of events. I would say a lot of free money, you know. When you feel free or you got nothing to do, or maybe you are not a full-time trader, or you're just a very linear trader, you can actually look for all these events, because all these events are free money. Of course, in return, Crypto MY will try to make more video about all these events that are ongoing, coming soon, to keep you guys updated, so you guys doesn't miss any events that organized by Huobi platform. So I would say it really benefits to all the investors around the world, and also especially Malaysian have a lot of benefit too when you guys sign up this event. So remember to sign up through Crypto MY, because when you sign up through Crypto MY, there's a lot of benefits will be coming soon. Huobi will give a lot of advantages to use Crypto MY referral code when you sign up with me. So I wish you guys win this contest. Of course, I also wish myself that I can go into this space because I really wanted to experience it myself. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe my video. I will see you guys soon, and goodbye.